Good morning. We are on the Icehouse Canyon trail. It is an absolutely gorgeous morning after 2 straight days of snow. So we have got the snowshoes on and we're gonna see if we can hike all the way up to Icehouse Saddle. The snow may end up too deep and maybe too much to handle, but we're gonna see how far we can go. Whatever we do, it is absolutely worth it because already it is just so gorgeous here. Absolute winter wonderland. So we're gonna see how far we can go in our snowshoes.
Let's do it.
So one really nice thing about these snowshoes is they're very easy to put on and off. So when it gets super steep or rocky like it is right now, we just pop them off, climb over all the rocks, deal with that, and then when it gets deeper snow again, we pop them right back on.
I don't know if there's any place I love more than being in the mountains after a fresh snowfall. It's just absolutely magical. And I hope we just get to share all this beauty with you guys today.
It's a real winter wonderland now. The sun is out, the snow is glowing, Elise is stumbling over various rocks. Don't let anybody tell you snowshoeing up really steep rocky stuff is easy. Half the time you want the snowshoes on, half the time you want to take them off. When it gets really steep like this, it's very helpful to use those poles so you don't fly backwards. But I gotta say, these snowshoes are pretty nice on the really steep part. They have a nice bite, so you don't feel like you slip backwards quite as much as you do when you're going up really steep stuff in just boots. So as challenging as this is in the snowshoes, I'm still glad that we brought them. Okay, well, we have made it to the saddle. That was a fantastic snowshoe up.
So pretty.
Really enjoyable.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, now there is no more trail. Absolute virgin snow. So If we're gonna do this, we're gonna be breaking the trail the whole way, which I think will be very, very challenging.
Adam wants to keep going, but I don't know how likely this is.
I want to keep going for a little while. I don't think we're going to make it all the way to the top, breaking the trail for 3 miles, but we're going to go for a ways at least because it's just so fun to go through virgin snow. And you know, if we break the trail as far as we go, then other people will be able to follow too, and that will be really nice for them because this is a beautiful, beautiful views up here.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Oh no. Boo, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. This is just impossible.
You are so insane. I can't believe we're doing this right now.
I have no idea where the trail is. This might be our turnaround point.
Yeah. It's so impossible.
I think it's just gonna get a little dangerous after this.
Yeah.
Well, sadly, I think we've reached the point where we're just gonna have to turn around. There is absolutely no more trail. It is so steep and so deep.
It's so impossible.
And we don't want to be those idiots that end up in some kind of a fall or something.
Yeah.
And because this is not a trail we really know, we're just going blind. But it's a shame because it's so gorgeous. We really just want to keep going. We hate turning around, but in this case, discretion's definitely the better part of valor. And this way we can just enjoy the beautiful views all the way down, take our time, have a leisurely lunch.
Yes.
If we tried to make it with no trail, breaking the trail, we'd be back after dark yet again.
Total sufferfest.
And we just don't like doing that on a trail we don't know.
Yeah.
So we're gonna turn it around and just enjoy this gorgeousness. Elise coming down a steep hill is always entertaining. When it gets steep enough, these snowshoes are like skis. Just ski down it, just ski down it. Okay.
Well, wow. What a just perfect, gorgeous winter wonderland snowshoe adventure today, huh?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I have to say, Icehouse Canyon up to the saddle, absolutely beautiful. Honestly, it's hikeable without snowshoes up to that point. Once we got past that, you definitely need the snowshoes.
Definitely need them. I also have to say, I'm pretty proud of us for turning around. As some of you know, it's definitely not our personality to turn around, but it was absolutely the right decision. There's gonna be a snowstorm in a couple of hours coming in, so we did the right thing.
We definitely did. We would still be on our way up to Cucamonga Peak.
Yeah.
And God forbid, we were the only ones out there because there were no tracks, there was no trail. And had we gotten injured, and it seemed like the kind of place you could get injured, it would have been bad. So it's good that we turned when we did.
Good job, us.
Good job, us. And still an absolutely gorgeous hike.
Perfect day.
Hope you guys like it.